What is up, guys? Logan here from Royal Pools and G2 Landscaping, and today I am here in Valparaiso, Indiana. And in this video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to do in order to get a pool installed here in Valpo. So without further ado, let's dive in. Pool restrictions and safety requirements. Your pool must be at least 6 feet from any side or rear property lines, and it also must be 6 feet from any building structures. Pool must be clear of all utility easements. Pool must be enclosed by one of the following: an automatic safety cover that can withstand a minimum of 1,000 pounds, or a barrier such as a fence that extends around the entire perimeter of the pool that is at least 4 feet above ground level and at least 6 feet from the walls of the pool. Requirements to begin construction. In order to start construction on your pool project, you're going to need a residential alteration and accessory permits application, and you're also going to want to obtain your permit upon its approval. In addition to that, you're going to need a plat of survey, which includes lot size, including dimensions and square footage, property lines, a footprint of the home, including location and dimensions of first level of home with attached garage, a pre-existing accessory structures, driveway, private sidewalks, easements, and proposed structures to be built, including location and dimensions with distances relative to adjacent property lines and structures. And the last thing you're going to need is a list of contractors and subcontractors. Required inspections. So a pool may be fully functional and swim ready, but you can't actually swim in it until it has been fully inspected and approved. So during the pool installation process, your pool builder should complete the following inspections. These inspections include the foundation, the backfill, the mechanical, the electrical bonding, as well as the final walkthrough. HOA requirements. So on top of all the town code requirements that you have to abide by in order to get a pool installed, if your subdivision is under an HOA or a homeowners association, you're gonna have to file for approval with them as well. And that is all, folks. Everything you need to do to get a pool installed here in Valparaiso, Indiana. We hope this video was helpful, and have a great day. Hey, it's really nice outside. Go get yourself some ice cream.